Wonju kasi andun yung university ko before and ito yung bus. And so this is in Dongseol Terminal. Pero right now, I booked the premium bus kasi yun yung earliest. Parang ako lang mag-isa sa bus kanina when I checked. I paid siguro an extra 100 to 200 pesos. Pero kasi kung yung sa second bus pa ako, 820 pa yun. And that's almost 40 minutes. Kasalanan ko din naman kasi hindi ko check yung trip times today. We're going back to Wonju, so I'll see you there.
Just laying on the floor again. Can't be bothered to get up now. I wouldn't care if I never get up again. I don't want to. Then our song comes on the radio. Makes me wanna start to dance. So I wanna know
이번 정류장은
if you feel the
원주시청
same way as
대구목소리.
me. Why would you?
So, we are finally in Wonju. Oh my God, naligaw pa ako. Kasi, hindi mamali yung bus na nasakyan ko. Pero, yun yung city bus na maraming dinadaanan na mga apartment and stuff. And then, we used to go up here. Yung kanilang, traditional rice burger. Dahil I am pressed with time, mamadali na ako. Yung canteen, it's also there. Pero hindi na ako papasok kasi I'm scared. We're finally here, we're finally back.